The Netherlands geography. The Netherlands is located below sea level. The Netherlands is located at the mouth of three stellar European rivers, the Rhine, Maas, and Scheldt. It borders Germany as well as the North Sea. To the right, there is a map of sea level in which, in purple, it represents area below sea level and in green, area above sea level. Beneficial factors of the geography are there are three major European river mouths that are located in the Netherlands, which are beneficial to trade and act as a sea route. It borders Germany, which is very beneficial to trade, considering Germany is both importing and exporting trade partners. And it borders the North Sea, which is access to trade route and access to sea route. Harmful factors, there's a major flood threat. 50% of the land is below sea level. It borders the North Sea and mouths of three major European rivers, which can result in flooding. And solution, there are Dutch dikes, however, they cannot be promised to be 100% flood-proof. So what is a Dutch dike? A Dutch dike is a defense mechanism against flooding, and it expands 22,000 kilometers, even though the coastline of the Netherlands is only 880 kilometers. So why so many kilometers of Dutch dikes? Well, because they're trying to ensure that flooding will not occur. Architecture. There's three main styles in architecture in the Netherlands. There's uniformity and sobriety. American style, also known as modern, and cosmopolitan. Their uniformity and sobriety style is based off of Calvinist ideas, which the ethos of the Calvinist ideas believe that order is cleanliness. Their American style comes from the rebuilding after World War II. The cosmopolitan style came from 1920s international movement from art. So to the right, I have four examples of architecture. To the top left, there's an example of a Calvinist architecture. To the top right, there's an example of modern architecture. To the bottom left, there is an example of a modern-day Dutch home in which they normally run small with prominent front doors and large windows. And to the bottom right, there's an example of cosmopolitan architecture. They're very particular about how they want their land. They desire it to be spatial, in which their land is designed in rectangular and square shapes so they can have canals and dikes.